Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday today and the date is 21st November. आप लोगों ने मेरा दिवाली वाला व्लॉग देखा या नहीं? मैंने री-एडिट करके डाला है. So please check that out. This time it is little more interesting. पिछली बार थोड़ा सा rant वगैरह हो गया था in that दिवाली vlog. But now I have made it more interesting for you guys. So go and check that out and please enter. देख लेना. It is very beautiful, aesthetically pleasing. I think it's really good. You should check that out. मैं link description box में दे दूँगी just in case you cannot find it out somewhere. Yeah. Okay. तो वो तो हो गया दिवाली vlog. अब for today again Saturday है, मुझे एक वीडियो लाइव डालनी है मेरे मेन चैनल पे. तो I am going to go and edit that video. But आज for sure हम लोग सैलून जाने वाले हैं. Like you can see कितना ग्रोथ हो गया है. See ये देखो. I'm a granny. Yeah, very hairy. You can see? Yeah. So आज for sure हमें पार्लर सैलून जाना ही जाना है. I have to find out. Now this locality is new for me. I have never been in a salon anywhere near here because as you know we have recently shifted. तो we'll have to find out which is a nice salon. तो हम लोग Google पे जाएंगे and find out which salon has good ratings and good reviews and then visit that salon near me. But for now, edit करने बैठते हैं. Lightweight moisturizer. It was also an emulsion, but from a Yabadam range. Yeah, during summers that just works fine for me. But in winters it does not give me sufficient moisture. My skin still feels dry after applying it. And that is how editing behind the screen looks like. Yeah guys, welcome back. हो गए हैं 6:30. मैंने वीडियो लगा दी है अपलोड पे and now I am going to go to the salon to get this hair out of the way because कल shoot करना है. I have to shoot 2 videos tomorrow. तो let's search for a salon. तो ये कुछ options आ गए हैं यहाँ पे. This one is 54 meters away. They have got 3.4 stars in review and good salon. Horrible experience. That is what they have written. Such a cheater. Oh my god. Very good salon. Not going there. पता है क्या? I'm thinking we'll drop this idea for now because Google से पता नहीं क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. पहले हम चलते हैं हमारे बिल्डिंग के सामने वाले पार्लर में, देखते हैं वहाँ क्या सीन है. I think I'll try there. सिर्फ आईब्रोज करवा लेते हैं पहले. I'll try how things work and next time के लिए पता चल जाएगा. Yeah, let's go there. So yeah guys, I'm back from the parlor. You can see she did a pretty good job. मतलब pretty good job. I like how she worked. मैंने hair wash भी करवा लिया because anyways मुझे करना ही था, तो I thought I'll give it a try there. And बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं, soft लग रहे हैं. Yeah, you can see nice and shiny. मतलब मैंने कोई ये नहीं करवाया, ब्लो ड्राई, हीट ड्राई कुछ नहीं करवाया, सिर्फ हेयर वॉश करवाया नॉर्मल and air dry किया. That's it. And now what is important here is कि since my skin is sensitive, अब मैं eyebrows वगैरह करवा के आई हूँ ना, तो when I touch it becomes very sensitive. मुझे hurt होने लगता है, pain होने लगता है even with the slightest touch, especially the eyebrows and this region right here. मतलब swelling सी आ जाती है. I don't know if you can make it on camera or not, but मेरे दोनों आईब्रोज swollen है, ये एरिया swollen है. तो how do I treat it? You can do this as well. ये सबके लिए this is like magical. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this cotton handkerchief and a few ice cubes. You can see, and अब इसको हैंकरचिफ में ऐसे रोल करके आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू dab it on my regions. Actually you can do this all over your face, like this is good for anti-aging, this is good as this is good for pore problems and बहुत सारे problems के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा house remedy है which doesn't cost you anything, like just ice. When you rub ice on your face, आपको acne हो या aging signs हो, जैसे large pores हो गए, you just do this twice in a week should be good. That is how much I do, and it tightens your skin, tightens your pores, takes away any swelling if it is any on your face. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to rub this all over my face. मतलब इससे आप अगर एक्ने पे भी करोगे ना, like you can see there is a few acne here, तो अगर आप एक्ने पे भी करोगे तो ये वहाँ से आपकी swelling हटा देता है at least. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do for 10 minutes or so all over my face. And I'll see you after 10 minutes. Now when my face has calmed down a lot, I am going to use this cucumber gel. You can use aloe vera gel also if you feel like, but I use cucumber because this suits my skin more. Aloe vera से मुझे breakouts होने लगते हैं. So I'm using this. Again, this was kept in the refrigerator, so it is going to give me that calming effect. मैं इसे आराम से अपने सारे face पे spread out कर रही हूँ. So that कहीं पे भी कोई irritation या swelling ऐसा कुछ भी हो तो it is going to calm down everything. तो अब ये है. And I'm going to let it stay for a bit, like an hour or so, and then रात को सोने से पहले I'm going to do my usual skincare routine since my skin is calmed down with this. अब ये तो हो गया हमारा skin calming routine कि मैं eyebrows या threading या waxing के बाद क्या करती हूँ so that my skin stays intact, it stays tight and it does not get harmed in long run, because ये ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम हमेशा करते हैं and this can affect adversely on our skin. So to make sure it doesn't affect as much, these are a few steps that you can follow. Ab I am going to go and shop on Nykaa because there are a few products of my skincare routine जो ख़त्म हो गए हैं, तो मैं वो Nykaa से ऑर्डर करने वाली हूँ. and उसके बाद है dinner and then night time routine. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. और अगर आप और ऐसे vlogs देखना चाहते हो, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. Yeah, मैं almost daily vlog कर रही हूँ, almost daily vlog. So you should definitely come back to see what's happening in my life. Okay, until then, take care.